Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a review and I'm going to be unboxing my new mic. Yes, I got a mic. So I discovered that while doing my videos I get a lot of noises and at times I need to shout, so I got my mic. So first things first, I just want you to listen my voice without the mic because I haven't connected the mic yet. I just wanted the noise to be on the background so that once I plug in my microphone, you'll still be hearing the noises or not. Let's unbox. This is how my mic came. As you can see, it came with two mics and one port. Some of them come just one mic, but I decided to get the one with two mics because who knows, I might have a visitor on this channel and maybe while I'm using one of the mics, my visitor might be using the other. So that's why I decided to get two, but still you can get one. That's a choice for you. This is the mic and here is the windproof. This helps to protect all the noises. Here is the clip where you can just clip on your dress. Here is the power button. If you want to on this, you just have to press the power button for some time. You see the bling, so meaning that my mic is on. Then here, this is where you plug the charger. So it comes with a charger, and here so here is the charger. So you just need to get an adapter and you plug this in. Then you plug this right into the mic. You see, you just plug it in. Then you connect this part to the wall on your adapter. Then you let it charge. Once you buy your mic, first thing you do is to charge your mic. Let it be fully charged before you start using. It's the port where you connect to your phone. This is where you connect, you see, on this part. So here I really can't connect here because it doesn't fit, so I'm going to connect it on the phone where I'm using to record. I'm going to be working with one mic and we just have to leave the other. It comes with a manual, so you can use the manual to connect your mic. We are just going to be working with this. As you can see, the light is still blinking. That's because I haven't connected the port to my phone. Once I connect the port to my phone, it's going to give a steady green light here. Then here, when I'm talking, you won't be hearing the noises at the back. I'm just going to clip it on my dress. There are two ways to connect. The first way you have to connect is you turn on the power. Once you turn it on, you have to plug this port into your phone. So I'm just going to connect this. So once I connect, you see it's still blinking red and green. So once I connect, to know that it's connected, you just have to see a steady green light. So you see it's now connected. So you can see the light is just green. Once your light is green, you know it's connected. So right now I really can't hear if my voice has changed because I'm still recording. I'll only hear the difference once I stop the video and I go over to watch. But guys, if you're hearing the difference right now, just leave a comment in the comment section and let's know that it's working. For some people, once they connect the port to their phone, they still don't get any difference. That's because it really hasn't connected. So if you're experiencing any of this, you have to use the second method. So for the second method, you have to go to your Google Play Store and you have to search for Open Camera. Once you see the Open Camera, you have to download the Open Camera. Once it's been installed on your phone, you go to camera setting. From camera setting, you scroll down and you go to video settings. From the video settings, you scroll down and you go to the audio source. And while in the audio source, just click on external mic if it's present in the settings. Click on external mic. Once you click on external mic, your microphone is set up. So you just have to go back to your open camera and you start recording from there. And once you're recording, your mic is already connected. So once you're done recording and after listening to the voiceover, you're going to hear the difference. So hope you understand. If you don't understand, just leave a comment. I'm going to take time and I explain to you. For the features found in this microphone, it cancels any noise around your surroundings. Like if you're recording and there is noise coming from your background, the mic cancels the noise. Second, it's a wireless. You don't need anything to connect. Just put here and you're good to go. And so the third thing, you can record from a distance, and you still be able to hear what you're saying through your mic. Okay, let me do an example. I will put my phone further away from me and I'll be recording and you still hear because of the mic. I'm sitting a little bit far from my phone, but I'm talking and I hope you're still hearing what I'm saying, right? So this is the importance of the mic. Let me turn off the power of the mic, and when I'm talking, you see the difference. Without the mic, while I'm far away from my phone, I don't think you'll be hearing what I'm saying. So let me turn off the mic. So right now my mic is turned on again and I'm talking. I guess you can hear what I'm saying right now, but I don't know if you were hearing when the mic was off. Another thing you have to take into consideration while purchasing your mic, it says type C and also it says iPhone. So my phone is the type C. As you can see, it's thick here, type C. So my mic came in the type C form. But if you're using an iPhone and it doesn't come in the iPhone format, then you are using the wrong mic. So while purchasing your mic, always make sure that you know what type to get. If you're using the Android phone, make sure to get the type C. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, and also please click on the subscription button and subscribe so that you get more of these tips coming. You know, we are all here to learn. So if you want to learn more, just click on the subscription button so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get a notification. So if you watch up to this point, I say a big thank you and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.